In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Shapermint promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Shapermint promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to this website, Retail Me Not, and click on it. Alright, so once you're here, you're gonna see many offers, many codes. So the first one is 10% off, so you can click on it. And this is the code for getting 10% off Black Friday. So you can copy this code, click on this link Shapermint. It's going to take you to the website and you can choose your stuff. And then on checkout, you have to use this code for a 10% off. Similarly, there are many other codes. So for example, you're looking for a 20% off. You can click on that. And this is the code for a 20% off. So you can do the same steps, copy and use it at checkout. There are many other codes you can explore, but I'm going to go to some other website and show you a few more codes. So I'm going to go back. Okay, then next you're going to head over to this website, vthrift.com. So once you're there on this website, the first code is an 80% off. As you can see, the success rate is 93%, so it might work or might not work, but you can always give it a try. So you can click show code, and it's automatically going to copy the code. And then you can go to checkout and use this code and give it a try. Similarly, there are many other codes. So let's say you're looking for a 20% off. So you can just copy the code and then paste it at checkout. So there are many other offers you can see, and whatever is good for you, you can copy and use that at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.